Hey, what's up, everybody? It's B-Ball for Life here. So, I got a question for flat earthers, right? So, they say that the sun's light does not, eventually, it doesn't reach us because it's too far away. So, my question is the moon is almost directly above me. So, how is the moon illuminated, but it's dark here? It's dark. Moon's illuminated here, almost directly above me, but it's dark here. So how does the sun's light reach all the way far enough to illuminate the moon, but not the ground? I think that's a pretty good question. Let's see if they can figure it out.